Okay, so I've been watching parents putting in car seats totally wrong and wondering why they are completely loose. So this is going to be a life hack for you parents. This is a car seat. Most people will just take this little clip and buckle it in, but I'm going to show you a trick. Step 1, recline your seat all the way back. There, now it's reclined. Step 2, buckle the car seat to the frame. Car is buckled. Seat still extremely loose. Step 3, bring the seat all the way up as much as it can go. I'll have to use 2 hands for this to pull the back. Seat is back in its upright position. Nothing. Like, there's not even an inch of movement. And that is how you put a car seat in and belt it to the frame. You're welcome.